Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional email in Hostinger. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on Emails from the top. And next to set up a free email service, click on Setup. Select the domain name you want to set up an email account for. Then click on Confirm. Hostinger offers 3 email plans. For this video, I will go with the free email plan. Give your new email a name, for example, Ben, and use a password that you will remember. After the password, fill in a password recovery email address. This one should be an email account that you can easily access anytime. And hit create new email. To access your email account, just click on access webmail, fill in your email password and hit login. And this is how to create a professional email in Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.